Good afternoon from Cairo, Egypt. How much does street food cost in the city? There is a variety of options, but most things cost a few dollars. Today I'm at a local spot called Caramel El Sham. It's a place that a lot of my friends go to that are Egyptian. It's recommended. I've been here before and they have really good food. So this is the front of the restaurant. Alright, let's go see if they have a menu in English. Looks like it's just in Arabic. They might have an English menu inside. If not, I just will order a shawarma. Yeah, just Arabic. That's alright. I will order a shawarma and wait in line and then show you guys and the cost of it. Shawarma, yes. Alright guys, so I just received the order. I realized I probably should have filmed me ordering it. That'll have to do for the next video for street food. But I've received it. It came to 35 Egyptian pounds, which is $2.22. There were two options for size, small or large. And I ordered the large. As you can see, pretty huge. The guys are cooking the meat outside here, carving it off all day. Very delicious. Let's try it. I've actually not had the shawarma here. I've had like their fries roll and other things. We have the option of chicken or beef, and I ordered chicken. That is good. So it has like a sauce, chicken, maybe some pickled vegetables. Yeah, pickled vegetables. So good. So this is the kind of food you can eat on a daily basis here in Cairo, Egypt. I'm always eating shawarma or kofta, falafel, kebda. I will make videos about this soon. But this will be the start of a series of street food videos. So shawarma in Cairo from, I always forget the name of this place, Caramel El Sham, which is in downtown Cairo, not too far from my hostel. I would tell you the street names, but I don't recall what the street it is on, but you can look it up. Very delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I also have a Patreon for those of you that don't know, so if you want to get on board with that, the link's in the description. But yeah, come to Egypt, eat the street food. Shawarma is amazing. I could eat this every day, and I almost do. Alright, I'm going to finish this off. Cheers, guys.